Here's my question. Why? Okay, why when you use the public restroom, why is everything wet? Everything is wet. The counter is soaking. There are puddles. Water is dripping. Was there like a shaggy dog in there after a bath? Like... God forbid you have to use the stall. You know, you get in there. First of all, you look at the seat and you're like, oh! Oh! Once you deal with that, then you're sitting there and you try to close the door, which is like hanging. It's who the hell is going into a bathroom like gonna crap? No, shut up. You're sitting there. You start reading all this. The most negative, ignorant crap. And it's not just written, it's carved. Who the hell is sitting on the toilet like, damn Jews, blacks? And this is my favorite. Always on the wall, somebody has to write, Mike was here. But then somebody else puts an arrow and writes, Mike is a like Mike is coming back to check it out, like, what the hell? I was here, but I'm not a Jesus. Trying to make a statement here. Damn Jews.